In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download 1042S from Charles Schwab. We'll walk through the simplest desktop method and highlight a few keynotes so you know exactly where to look and what to expect. Start on a desktop browser and log into your Schwab account. The desktop site is the easiest place to find tax documents because everything is organized in a single document center. Once you're signed in, go to the main navigation and choose Accounts. From there, select Statements and Tax Forms. On this page, you may see a link labeled 1099 Dashboard or another labeled Statements and Documents. Either option takes you to the same general area where Schwab stores your account statements and tax forms. Next, narrow the view to locate tax documents. Use the filters on the page or simply scroll until you see a section called Tax Forms. Look for Form 1042S in the list. It will be organized by tax year. When you find it, click the PDF link or icon. Your browser will either download the file automatically to your default downloads folder or open it in a new tab where you can use the download button to save it. If you don't see the form right away, adjust the date range. Set the time frame to include the tax year you're looking for, or expand the range to cover more months. If you have multiple Schwab accounts, make sure the correct account is selected in the account picker so you're viewing the right documents. A few important notes will help set expectations. Form 1042S is typically available by mid-March each year. This form is issued only if you are a non-U.S. investor and you received U.S. source income that is subject to reporting, such as dividends or certain types of interest. If the form isn't showing, it may not have been released yet, or you might not have reportable income for that tax year, in which case the form won't be issued. A couple of quick tips can make the download smoother. If the PDF doesn't open, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups or inline PDFs and allow the download for the Schwab site. After saving the file, confirm the tax year on the document to ensure it matches the year you need and keep the PDF in a secure location for your records. That's it. Log in, go to Accounts, open Statements and Tax Forms, enter through 1099 Dashboard or Statements and Documents, filter to Tax Forms, find Form 1042S and download the PDF. If it's not there, adjust the date range and check back around mid-March or when your income becomes reportable.